Yeah, well, she was at the
The grassy.
It's like with the
Does that
grass
still that
too.
real hard green? 'Cause I don't
You
know
have a
if all
tiny
of it
little
got out
pond.
of there.
Oh,
So yours
whoa.
is small compared to some of the others. So you may have room for a sheep if you wanted to put him in
Yep,
there.
that's where
You have more pasture.
Is that the really hard green,
Yeah,
Janet?
it's not.
Do you want me to replace it
He
with
looks
the
you,
other?
Mike. It's as tall as the tree.
Push him down.
He's cute.
He's a massive,
He really is.
humongous.
He's pretty big. He's cute though.
I got the biggest one. The biggest little.
Yeah, you got a huge sheep. When you're done with that area, can I have it?
He's the right scale to the others, but well, I don't know, maybe not, but not to that tree. That's funny. You know, he kind of looks more like a giraffe
He's
because
cute.
of the tree.
Well, because his neck's
Size-wise.
really long.
Yeah.
Shannon got the really squished down one that I wanted. Where's the other green?
I mixed them.
Oh.
Oh, you mean the other tip? Okay.